Hello dear students, today we will begin with determination of bleeding time by Duke's method. What is bleeding time? It is a time taken from the puncture of blood vessel to the stoppage of bleeding. Normal value 1 to 3 minutes. What is bleeding time? It is a time taken from the puncture of blood vessel to the stoppage of bleeding. Normal value 1 to 3 minutes. Apparatus for today's practical: filter paper, stopwatch, pricking apparatus, which includes spirit, cotton, and lancet. Take a filter paper, fold it, and write numbers of seconds. Students, you have to fold the filter paper as you are seeing in this photograph. This is how your filter paper will look alike. These are seconds: 0 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120 seconds, 150 seconds, 180 seconds, and 210 seconds. So, all these numbers represents seconds. Set stopwatch on 0 and prick your finger. That is, start your stopwatch, but it must be at 0 mark and prick your finger. Immediately, touch your pricking point to 0 second on filter paper and start timing on stopwatch. So, once you prick your finger, immediately touch the pricking part of your finger on the 0 second mark over the filter paper. Simultaneously, you must start your stopwatch. After your first touch, every 30 seconds, you have to touch pricking part of your finger to the filter paper till there is not presence of any blood stains. Do not squeeze your finger. But meanwhile, now you are going to touch the pricking part of a finger to the filter paper at 30 seconds. And for the third time, you are going to touch the pricking part of your finger to the filter paper over 60 seconds. And now you are going to touch the pricking part of your finger to the filter paper over 90 seconds for the fourth time. And now you are going to touch the pricking part of your finger to the filter paper for the fifth time at 120 seconds. But here the most important thing you have to remember is that 120 second must be taken into consideration, because at this second, whenever you are trying to touch the pricking area, there must not be the presence of any blood stains. So, bleeding time must include these seconds. So, in our practical, bleeding time is 2 minutes, because 120 is equal to 2 minutes. Students, this is for your self-assessment or test, and you have to comment your result. That means you have to write your result, what you are seeing in this filter paper. Clinical significance. Bleeding time has to be performed before operative procedures. Laboratory investigations for bleeding disorders are required for patients who have a history of spontaneous bleeding or excess bleeding following injury. Prolonged bleeding time and normal clotting time is seen in thrombocytopenia, that is decreased platelet count, thrombocythemia, functional abnormalities of platelets, idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura. Normal bleeding time or prolonged clotting time can be seen in hemophilia and Christmas disease. What is purpura? A rash of purple spots due to a small blood vessels leaking blood into the skin, joints, intestine or organs. There are thrombocytopenic purpura. It is called as decreased platelet count. Thrombocythemic purpura. It is due to the functional disorders of platelets. And here are some viva questions that may be asked during your practicals. Properties of platelets: adhesiveness, aggregations, agglutination. And here is another question. Functions of platelets: role in hemostasis, role in clot formation, role in clot retraction, role in repair of injured vessels, transport and storage function. Relation between platelet count and bleeding. Above 1 lakh per cubic mm, there is no clinical symptoms. From 50,000 to 1 lakh per cubic mm, bleeding after major surgery. From 20,000 to 50,000, bleeding after minor trauma in everyday life. Below 20,000, there will be spontaneous hemorrhage in gastrointestinal tract, urinary tract and nose. And very low value, there will be fatal hemorrhage in brain which leads to death. I hope students, this video will be useful to you. Thank you.